Alright, we're back in action. Back in action today. Doing yard routes. We got the 2 new Skags on. So, problem that I'm running into for anybody that's building a lawn route for mowing, I'm running into this problem that is how do I explain this? So you want to try to get everybody on weekly schedule so that you can mow every week, because it's less wear and tear on your machine, it's more money obviously, and it's just an easier route to keep up with. It don't get confusing. Well, I've got a lot of every other week accounts mixed in with a lot. It's like 50-50. So I've got half every other week and half weekly, and they're getting confused in my Jobber app. I can't figure out how to get them nailed down. So it's kind of confusing. But another thing is I have a bunch of yards that are going to need the stand on, because I got the stand on. I got 36 inch so that I could fit into back gates instead of having to push mow them, because I was push mowing a lot of yards. So now I've got to figure out, my trailer only fits 2 mowers at a time, which is fine because I've only got a 1500 truck, and I mean it'd probably haul all 3 of them, but anyways, I've got to figure out now. I can't remember in my head. If anybody's like me, it's hard to remember half these yards. You can't remember them, and I just didn't take enough notes. So one thing that I needed to do better going forward is take more notes so that I know which one of these yards require push mower for the back, so that now I can know which one I'm going to need to take my stand on with, because I've also got 3 acre properties that I want to take my 61 and mow with. So if I've got my stand on, I can't put my 61, and then I can't put my 52 on there, and so on and so forth. You can't have all 3 of them. So right now I'm trying to nail down, okay, which ones do I need to take my stand on, because I want to take my 52 to as many of them as I can that are nice properties, to stripe it, because it's got the brand new Velocity deck on it, and I want to stripe them up really good. And or else I would just take my 61. It doesn't have Velocity deck on it though. It's an older model, so they don't stripe near as good. So it's kind of confusing, which hopefully you're following along with me, but it's hard to decide which one to take when and how to do that right at the moment. I'm just trying to figure that part out, but we'll get there. We'll get there. I think while I'm mowing these next few days, what I'm going to do is just take notes and figure out which one of the properties have a small back gate. And I think I'm going to put all those on one day. So like today's Thursday, I think I'm going to put all of them on Thursday, so that I can just take my 52 and my stand on 36 on Thursdays, and then I'm going to move my bigger properties to Friday, so that I could take my 61, and I won't take the stand on those days. So that's where we're at. That's what we're doing. Mowing yards. Business is going good. I'm getting many calls a day, and it's working out good. So